welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this steering cover. So this is my old cover, so new I'll show you how it is. It's a completely different look. So we'll unbox. This is the packaging. So this is the cover. As you can see, this is with carbon fiber look and this Alcantara finish. This will come totally like this with this German stitching on the top. This is the installation guide, and this is the thread and the needle, and these are some tools to install it. So this is the steering. The feel is a different level, so we'll just put here and see once. So this will come like this here completely, and here you get this thing, and bottom also you have all this edges, edge by edge, so that it will fit properly. So we'll see how it looks after installation, because we need to remove this and then install that. Thank you.